Hello everyone. So how you can download Ubuntu 11.4? It's a previous version. So how you can download it? Okay. So for downloading the previous version 11.4, okay, you have to go the site. It's called oldrelease.ubuntu.com releases. Okay. So I'll mention this site in the description and come this side and slide down a little bit. Okay, and you can see here we have 11.4. okay, so click on 11.4 here, and now you can see one more thing. I'll show you that you can go to 11.4. Here there are many versions, but we need dedicatedly 11.4 because it's LTS version. So here you can see, slide down a little bit, and you can see here Ubuntu 11.4 alternate AMD 64 iOS. Okay, so click on it and it will download the iOS file. Okay, so let's click on it, and now you can see it asks me for where I want to download, so I'll just go with here. Okay, and I'll save it, keep it. Okay, so you can see it's very easy. So that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for being here. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.